Good morning, folks, and welcome to the pre-market insight for February 14th, 2020. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Will the market be sweet on the bears or the bulls? Let's go. We're looking at a chart of the ES S&P 500 futures. We're currently just up about 5 points in the pre-market session, and this 5 point comes at a really interesting place because of most importance, looking at yesterday's low and the high of this former range at these elevated levels at around 33.71 has held to the downside, and also yesterday's high set in the regular trading hours at 33.79 has also held. Of course, these are two important reference points for us to decipher and create hypotheses and scenarios as to what the price action in today's session might be. And so as long as we continue holding above yesterday's high, that is a gap up and a very bullish open, what I would be looking for is a very quick early test of yesterday's high at 33.79, and if that does not bring buyers in, then we could be going down to test yesterday's low at around 33.71, which I would definitely believe is a short-term buying opportunity unless we see market internals turn decidedly negative. To the upside, of course, we have the new all-time high set in the overnight session at 33.8850. We're just about 6 points off of that, and so if we do not retrace into 33.79, yesterday's high, then I would look for gap and go to immediately test that 33.8850 to see whether we can have some more price discovery to the upside. Of course, we are within touching distance of a psychologically important number of 3400, just about 12 points away from there, the new all-time high set in the overnight session, and so that can be a point of reference that the market participants may be looking to push into and above, setting up another outside month and outside week thus far. That being said, it is important to continue looking at the overall narrative and context. And the overall narrative and context right now on the monthly chart is we have a very bullish bar almost finishing on the highs of the month, well, definitely on the week and also on the month thus far. Because we highlighted the fact that with this volume bar and this fairly bearish close, this may be a sign of distribution going on at the highs, but of course we need to see some confirmation in this and probably the next 1 or 2 candles to give us an indication that, okay, this probably may be looking to roll over at some point. Before then, the ball is definitely in the bulls camp, and the buy the dip mania continues. It is options expiration today, and so there may be some fireworks to start the morning session and then peter off into the afternoon, given that today is Valentine's Day and people may be leaving the office early in order to get those plans underway, which I think stands as a good reminder that at the end of the day, all the things that we do in the charts don't really count for much if you're not able to enjoy and be fulfilled outside of them. So definitely take time for yourself and your loved ones, show them your care and appreciation, and always keep it simple, smarty. Be safe out there today, guys. Cheers.